If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says unable to complete request, this quick fix can help you get back into your account fast. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest step-by-step methods to troubleshoot the issue without wasting time. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, try switching your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi or hash and log in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi and try again. This is one of the fastest ways to tell whether the problem is being caused by your network connection. Sometimes X will block or fail requests based on your current connection, and changing networks can immediately solve it. Next, if you have any VPN running, disable it completely. A VPN can sometimes trigger login or request errors because X may see your location or connection as unusual. Turn off the VPN, close the API or browser completely, and try signing in again. If that still does not work, open a private browsing window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. This gives you a fresh session without old cookies or cached login data interfering with the site. Then go to x.com and check whether it is working properly in that private window. If X loads there, the issue is likely tied to your normal browser session, cookies, or extensions. These 3 steps are the main fixes you need to try. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable any VPN, and test X in an incognito or private window. In many cases, one of these will fix the unable to complete request error right away. If the problem continues, wait a few minutes and try again later, because sometimes X is having temporary server issues too. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick solutions like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.